तो आई थिंक ये टाटा का नया हैरियर है और इसे जैसे दिखाया गया है कि ये ऑफ रोड कैपेबिलिटी दिखाया गया है, तो ये ऐसा है। वायरलेस का डिस्प्ले है। दिस इज क्या है? टाटा हैरियर ईवी QW डुअल मोटर। ओके, टाटा सफारी है। सारा ईवी बेस्ड है इस बार। इंडियाज ओनली 5 स्टार रेटेड SUV, सेफेस्ट देन। ओके, इसमें काफ़ी सारे साइड एयरबैग्स भी दिया हुआ है और ये टाटा इसमें एयरबैग्स दिया हुआ है और ये रियर सेक्शन है। वाव, ये है टाटा का नया 1.5 टर्बोचार्ज गैसोलीन डायरेक्ट इंजेक्शन इंजन। अच्छा, आप तो DI का
challenge where you input your energy to a good use. So let's see how hard you pedal the light glows. You have to do the tree. This is all about the Tata EV Zone. So we have two individuals. First is Mr. Shubham. Be here, Shubham.
ये 1.2 नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड फ्लेक्स फ्यूल इंजन है। ये टर्बो चार्ज है, एक टर्बो चार्ज है, नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड।
So the volume one by one, I request you to please be there. Apart from that, we have a little faster.
1.2 यानी अभी आ रहा है।
What's the myth about the electric vehicle which people have? So I want everybody to take a 360 tour of the Tata Pavilion. We are your as well, volume one by one. The first challenge we have. You have to put your energy to a good use. The harder you pedal, the light glows.
EV version.
You have to blow the tree right here. Because as we embark on a journey of future with sustainability, we want everyone to be here and let's get this started. Let me just sit on a bicycle and tell you when to start.
ये क्या है? टाटा का पंच EV क्या?
So people, are you ready? Among everyone, are you ready? Let's do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do this. The harder you pedal, the lighter glows. You can see that it's happening, yes? Crazy, crazy, little harder. Come on, put your energy to a good use. Let's light up the tree. Whoa! It's happening, it's happening. Come on, let's see who wins. Around, tickling, yes. Whoa! Timer. Time is up. So, you know what was the drill? What was the drill? We just did 20 seconds. Just make it a little slow. Right? So here, nobody wins. Let's see who's the next people. So, you both are going? Okay, come here. You can be here, you can go there. Remember to register yourself.
कंपटीशन चल रहा है यहाँ पर।
Get yourself registered.
Okay. Anyone can
participating. Okay, who will be going against her? Are you sure? We truly believe in women empowerment. Are you sure? Come here, come on. So let's do this. He's registering himself. I think you need to get where there are lots of myths. Here you can get the right answers. This is a screen. And whosoever wants to participate, they can be here. इसको लगता है कि उसको myth bust करना आता है. You can be here.
I think some kind of myth
So let's
चल रहा है
bust some myths.
related.
Who is going to be here? You want to check your accuracy? It's a screen. So you have to put your knowledge to the test. So you have to enter from that side. Enter from that side. Are you people ready? Okay. So the next challenges are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do this. इनको तो पहले ही हो गए. क्या बात है? He went first. I don't know how he went first. We can restart, of course. Request everyone, please go and have a look at
Tata
the
Nexon Dark Edition, Tata Nexon Red.
Everybody ready?
This is CNG वाला है, ये है
Ready? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Congratulations. Here we have the winner. So,
टाटा प्राइमा एक्स
everyone, who is going to
25
be
के
here?
पर शिफ्ट.
I want two people to
ये तो योद्धा तो घर बनाने के लिए,
Yes.
अच्छा वो LNG को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए है क्या? ऊपर इसका टैंक दिया है प्राइमा. ये है
So, please register yourself.
ओके.
So, request everyone, I hope you all have all the time away. And that's something that we're commercial learning zone. This is all about connecting aspirations.
3-speed auto shift, ADAS enabled fleet. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं ट्रक में ADAS देख रहा हूँ.
Then we have displayed a new launch volume on the stage. We have
और प्राइमा ADAS लेवल 2 ट्रक. वाह, ये ADAS लेवल 2 ट्रक है. सो टाटा की तरफ से टाटा द न्यू EV बस EV9 फ्रॉम टाटा. आई थिंक ये शहर के अंदर होना है ना मिनी ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. इंटरसिटी हो गया. तो ये इंटरसिटी प्लस होगा क्या ये? अच्छा मैग्ना कोच वॉशरूम के लिए है क्या? लग तो रहा है.
So it's Sunday and I know
टाटा कमर्शियल व्हीकल डिवीजन.
so we have so as give you the
अच्छा दिस इज स्लीपर प्लस नॉर्मल सीटिंग टाटा फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस.
Thank you so much. So now everyone who is coming up next to Bell Light Up Challenge. Come here, let's. So everyone, apart from that, we have Tata EV charging stations, the exact charging stations. You can see that these are the Tata EV charging stations and how it looks like. We have displayed it for you.
EV Punch.
Ready? Turn. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start this. He's doing
CNG version भी है,
slow.
EV version
He's
भी है
slow.
और
He's slow. Slow. He's getting the drill. He's getting that. It's almost there. So we're gonna do it one more time to do the.
okay. This is the new one,
One
bioethanol.
more time.
I think ये bioethanol है तो
So everyone, you can see that we have displayed here. Which car is this? I'm gonna ask you something. Which car is that? This is Punch.ev, and this is India's safest car with highest 5-star B&CAP rating. How many of you know what is B&CAP rating? क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है? It's Bharat NCAP rating, unparalleled efficiency and exhilarating performance. You can see that as the new Punch.ev. So how many of you own Tata Motor vehicle? How many of you have? Oh, तभी पता है आपको. How many of you have also Tata Motor vehicle? That's so good to see. I think you should go and download the IRA app. That is the intelligent real-time assist application. The team is there to assist you. If you want to come inside to take a look, you can be here. वैसे किसी को भी अगर अंदर आके हमारे एक्सेसरीज या हमारे ब्रेकफास्ट गेम खेलना है, you can want to come inside and have a look? You can go from that side and you can take a 360 degree. Yes. Ready? So, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start. Put your energy to good use. Let's do this. It's almost neck to neck. I can see that. Oh. Now it's going to be come up next. So everybody, if you want to know about the car, you can come here. Are most welcome. If somebody wants to play a game, they can also be there. It's first two people. It's already there. So अगर आपको गाड़ी के बारे में जानना है, if you want to take a 360 round of that Tata EV Zone, you can most welcome. अगर आप में से किसी को 360 round जिनको games खेलना है, they can be here. जिनको those who want to get some knowledge about the cars, the newly displayed car, this is Punch.ev. Impressive range and performance. You can be here. You can come and take the look and the feel experience of Punch.ev. For the newly displayed and newly launched cars of Tata Motor, you can be here at the stage. We have the newly launched vehicle, the Sierra on the stage. So I request you to please go and have a look. Ready? Okay, I'll give you the time. I'll give the time to action. Ready? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Let's do this. Go ahead, go ahead.
Sierra, जो पुराना Sierra गाड़ी.
Go ahead. It's so easy, huh? So easy. So we have a prize for you. This is for you, Apki Baat Chilka from Tata Motors. So everyone, now we have to go to the next game, and that is a myth bust. आप में से कितने लोगों को ये लगता है that you know more about electric vehicles?
पुराना वाला ना.
आपको लगता है कि you know about electric vehicles? If you think that you have more knowledge about electric vehicles, I have a question for you. So come on. So everybody, let's start the busting myths. So everyone, who want to come up next? Do you think that you can outsmart? जो गलत है. Hybrid vehicles feature smaller powertrains combining a compact internal combustion. What type of EV charging connector is commonly used for fast charging in India? What type of EV charging connector?
सामने लिखा है तो बता दो।
आपको गलत आंसर्स हटाने हैं। The fact CCS2 प्रोटोकॉल बहुत लोगों
EV वर्जन लॉन्च हो गया है।
चार्जिंग पॉइंट है, the EV चार्जिंग पॉइंट every 100 kilometers.
ओल्ड वर्जन है।
Which of the following is the mode of charging for Tata EV? कौन सा मोड ऑफ चार्जिंग है
कलर तो काफी
for
अच्छा
Tata EVs? DC fast charging, AC fast charging, all of the above. 15 ampere socket. Over 90% of Tata EV customers charge their vehicles at home. घर पे ही चार्ज कर लेते हैं. So let's see what is your accuracy. Oh, congratulations! You won an EV Mythbuster champion. We're delighted to know that you are keen on being a part of the movement towards a sustainable future. आपकी accuracy है 60%. ये बस जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on everyone, इनके लिए. That's really nice. जिनकी भी accuracy 60 से ज़्यादा है, we'll give them a prize. पर अभी यहाँ पे 60 है, but still we'll give you a prize for starting up this game. Congratulations.
तुम लोग क्यों गए? Okay.
Sure, please.
Most of new features you can enjoy with IRR Dune EV. Tata
आप प्लीज इंस्ट्रक्शंस रीड कर लें. These are the instructions which are already displayed on the Mythbuster screen. All the ways by selecting the incorrect answer and earn points. आपको गलत जवाब सेलेक्ट करना, मतलब अगर आपको लगे कि ये गलत है, जितने भी गलत आंसर्स हैं आपको उसको तुरंत सेलेक्ट करके उसको हटाना है. सिर्फ सही जवाब बचना चाहिए. Each correct answer earns you 10 points. हर सही जवाब पे आपको 10 points मिलेंगे. You have 90 seconds to burst as many as possible. आपको 90 seconds में सिर्फ 90 सेकंड होंगे और मिनट बर्स्ट करने को. On the timer answer, the game ends. Ready sir? Let's begin. If you drive an EV more than 60 km daily, how much money can you save on fuel cost for 5 years? गलत आंसर को हटाइए. इसमें से गलत आंसर क्या है? हटाइए उसे. क्लिक
नो
करिए.
सेविंग हटा देना है।
जो आपको लगता है गलत है उसको हटाइए. The EV charging on improved plan now, Tata Motors Autotran will calculate your cost of carbon emission saving based on selected parameters. So next question आने वाला है आपको स्क्रीन पे. Which battery type has the highest charging cycle, better power capability and a longer size span?
LFP गलत हटाना है।
Which battery type? आप भी आंसर कर सकते हैं. If you think that you are a master of myth busting, please tell us. Lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries are known for exceptional longevity, superior thermal stability, and higher charging cycles. So which type of vehicle has a more complex system? Complex system. कौन कौन से vehicles type में ज़्यादा है? यहाँ पे class में. Okay, सर आपने अपने हिसाब से गलत आंसर हटा दिए हैं, पर आपको मैं ये बता दूं, यहाँ पे एक या दो से ज़्यादा भी गलत आंसर हो सकते हैं. Which of the following is a mode of charging for Tata EV? ये क्वेश्चन पहले वाले सेट के आंसर दिया.
All of the above होता है ये सब चीज़ें।
90% of Tata EV customers charge their vehicles at home. बहुत सारे लोग जो Tata Motors EV vehicle own करते हैं, इनका कौन सा mode of charging? सर आपने गलत जगह हटाया. सर आपने गलत हटा दिया.